Hello guys, welcome to Chat Jamaican. You know, I am your lady Tania and I am here with Mr. Carlton Francis. And Mr. Carlton Francis, he actually farms in a residential area. He has been farming for over 25 years, but where he is now, he has been there for 5 years. So I am taking the opportunity out of my time to see what it is that he has been doing, how he finds it farming in a residential area, and the crops that he plants and how is it benefiting him. Guys, stay tuned and I do hope that you enjoy this.
Farming is the activity or business of growing crops and raising livestock. Farmers do farm in a residential area, and this is one of them in Manchester, Jamaica. A residential area is a land use in which housing predominates as opposed to industrial and commercial areas. Housing may vary between and through residential areas. These include single-family housing, multi-family residential, or mobile homes. Let us discuss with Mr. Carlton Francis to see how he managed and maintained a farm in a residential area.
Well, we'd like to see what I'm really doing now. Some potato me a plant still, as you can see. The plant have the first piece, but two, we never could have to get no slip, so if you notice are two different.
Oh.
Some grow before some because I just yesterday I finished plant out. The rest I don't.
And when some grows before some, does it affect your sale?
No. It sometimes it's even better off for you. When you do it like this, maybe by the time this ready, might have a price of $30. By the time that's ready, you might get $50 for that.
Okay. But do a brief introduction of yourself though.
Well, you see, my name is Francis, Carlton Francis. Well, I'm not really a big farmer like that. I just put on a pot and really send the children them to school and take care of my bills and so. But I would like to go further in United States, but too as a small man still, I'm satisfied because God really provided in a way where I can able to sustain myself and my family, you know.
So this is a residential area. Do you have any challenges farming in the area?
No, 'cause to be honest with you, the people around here are very nice. They are glad that I really bring down the land and farm it here because people used to come to like that.
Yes.
So I don't really have no problem with the farming in the area.
How many years have you been farming now?
You mean farming here or overall?
Overall and also here.
Oh, well, right here it's 5 years here. Overall, it's about 25 years.
25 years
Yes.
of farming. And does it pay off for you? Is it something that you see viable that you want to continue doing at all times?
Yes, to me it brings me a satisfaction because you see, even to be bring you a little brief things. When I look at these, sometimes it brings me even closer to God because it's a part of Christianity.
Yes.
Part of my faith. When I plant it and so it grow because I plant it stick and I get food.
Okay. All right. So I see you have some yam here. Is what type of, are these yam hills?
Yes,
So what type of yams are these?
yellow yam.
Oh, yellow yam.
Don't cut it. But when I take it up, I have to take out yam out of it 50, 60 pounds. Yes, I have to call a man come take picture of it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I plant like here like 150.
Yes.
But the last time it there now I got a little increase. So maybe I might get a little 25 or 10 ill more, you know.
Yes. So the main two crops that you focus on is the yam, the yellow yam, and the sweet potato.
Yes, and as you can see, callaloo, I'm going to try a little callaloo now. So I get it. This is the hybrid seed.
Yes.
So I prepare the land up by the house. So I'm going to go there and tie them up. The breeze blow them and start a little thing different.
And plant it.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So what you're doing exactly now?
Well, I'm plowing the hill. So so that the yam, when I put it in, the yam will be able to find space to bear down.
Yes. Okay. So how long would it take you to plow a hill?
Well, as I see, within an hour, because the land was prepared already, because I was putting in back
Yes.
in the same place where they bear last year.
Yes.
So it's kind of more easier for me. So if I did really come to work this morning, all these 25, I would have done them.
Yes, that would
If
have.
it wasn't plowed before, I wouldn't be able to do it. But it is plowed already, so I'll be able to do all 10, 15 for the day.
Okay. And then farming, it gives you a level of comfort. It is something that you're happy with
Yes.
doing.
Yes, seeing the growing, then I realize that there. Sometimes I say, boy, God, here's a God for you. Look how I just plant some stick. Next 2 months I'll be able to get food from my family.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So is farming, you have another career before? Or is...
What I do as a living still, you know, I cut lawn, you know.
Oh.
Yes, that is my hobby. That's what I do. That is my trade, in other words. Then. I
Yes.
have a lot of lawn round by all over the place.
Yes.
So people see me and realize that I'm family man, I have a family to take care of.
Yes.
So them give me the work because, you know, them say that I'm not idle.
Yes.
So I do farming, cut lawn. When I'm not doing any lawn, then
Do
I'm
the,
in my garden.
yes. So it give you the level of comfort that
Yes.
you're looking
and
for.
And barefoot me work, you know. You know that when you walk barefoot and work barefoot, you live longer. I have never sick in all my life.
Yes. All okay. So let me look at you working. So anybody else work with you, or is just you alone?
Sometimes my son, I have a son who's an electrician. Sometimes he will come, but Tuesday, you know, he can't really manage the sun.
Yes.
Really like that,
yes.
You know? So I don't really force him to do what he's
not being able to do.
Yeah. I tried one time and he couldn't sleep during the night. So I realized that I'm a fiend thing.
Yes. Yes. Okay. But maybe over a period of time now,
yeah,
you would probably adjust to it.
Yeah, you have to take it on. You know, that's why I want to train him night. Because as long as you are a farmer and have food, you're an independent liver.
Very independent.
Yes.
So you would encourage, what would you encourage persons to do who are thinking about going into farming?
What I'm saying, any man, if you have land, where you have access to the land, plow it, put food in it, and you'll see how you get independent. Every young man. But I'm saying, whether you have a job, whether you're a doctor, you're a nurse, get involved in the farming, and you will see.
It will pay off in the end.
In the end, it will pay off.
Oh,
Because
okay.
sometimes farming is not necessarily going into farming to make $1 million or $1,000 or whatever. It make you free, in other words, independent.
Yes.
Because the next 2 months from this, I don't have to go out and look a job, you know. Or
Yes.
look to anybody for nothing. People go have to come to me, come
Yes.
spend their money with me.
Yes.
So I say, with a woman, not only man alone, woman.
Yes.
Try your back garden, put some scallion, put some thyme. Callaloo, drop a few seeds of callaloo and you see. It's more healthier than more in the market. Pop choy, get a pack. That's where you have your organic, where you throw your peeling skin. You put it there. You have pop choy.
And then it's good.
Yeah.
Yes.
As soon as I get a food now, you have a burn off all of them corner there. Right round.
So it's costly to do the burning?
No, it's not costly. Like a skin will cost me about $1,200, $1,500 to buy the glamour zone or the roundup or the life estate.
Oh.
Any man, I can encourage any man with family. If you plant, if you till the soil,
Yes.
you and your family will live like a king.
Yes. Once they are dedicated and put in the work.
Yes. Because to be honest with you, when I start, we used to lazy, leggy. And from me start working, I have never, sometimes you might feel a little pain up there because it's the sort of man, this is what man about. But when I go home and bathe, oh God, man, I feel good, man.
Feel way good.
Good, way good, man. Sometimes some man too, you might know, some people don't farm too, they don't have family, you know.
Yes.
And some people don't do nothing because they don't have family.
And some people
don't do nothing because they don't farm because the family might be too big and then don't have the patience to wait.
Yes.
But like me put my trust as a family man. I'm going to give a little background of us. As a family man with 6 children, but a wife, no skill at all away from cutting land. But I always believe in God. I don't know why, but I always believe in God. And I put my trust in God and ask God, show me what to do. Show me, say, well, still the land because that is where it is. Still the earth because all that digs and me I find piece of gold and so on me I work. But this is the gold that I find in the earth. Put in it, God do the rest. Any man, you have a piece of earth, brother, plow up it.
Yeah.
Plant something in it. Like that.
And then you're able to feed your family. You know, because they bring in some funds and also they eat from it,
Fresh
from the crop.
Fresh from the
Mm-hmm.
I know, yeah, look right now, you know. Can't out of the market, but like me show you, you would understand still, you know.
Yeah.
A man without a real skill and family, it not really, because sometimes you go out and you see the one day pay, it done before.
Yeah, that's true, that's true.
Yeah, it done before. But me still not complain because I give God thanks.
Yes.
Because life is the greatest thing. I have that.
So it's still like having something on the side.
Yes.
Yes. You have something on the side, so this can be anybody hustle.
Anybody. Because right now, you would know me feel happy to see it right now. I know so well. Me not plan for nothing to say me have make nothing at all. If it bear, I give God thanks, and if it don't bear, I still go and give God thanks. Because
Yes.
there it is.
Yes.
I know God will make it bear. I mean, I say, gentlemen, boy and girl, you're out there. You me I say, man, put something on the earth, brother. Put something on the earth. You can't wrong. I eat me out there now.
Okay. All right.
I'll finish weed out all them young there. I'll finish weed them out now here and one.
Yes.
I like Bonham land next week I can't time.
Oh, so where's the corn?
Me have some from the house.
Oh, up by the house.
I just create my plant. It's in the get food this morning. You see me I like a brother. Do little things to the brother about the
Yes. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. Little more. Bye.